Hi, I'm Kana. They call me the microactivist. Me and my micro crew work hard to protect our oceans. Think of us as an assassin squad of determined gremlins, hunting down every bit of trash that's out there, no matter where it's hiding, nor how deep. It's a tough job. Most grown-ups say is impossible, but to us kids, it's just good, dirty fun. We're hard on the trash that's hard on the planet, and we're also hard on our gear. Our boats do way more than just get us there. They're plows, dumpsters, dive platforms, haulers. Joining with Advanced Elements kayaks wasn't a choice. It was the only choice. And for me and my microactivist crew, I'd like to say thank you, Advanced Elements, for taking us aboard.